Hi friends, hi student. I am Sitawari today in the Geography 11th class. The lesson Structure and Physiography, and the topic which is going on the Peninsular Plateau, which is going to be and this is the few last third topics in the same lesson, the Indian desert. Student, desert means the area of the land which is surrounded by the sand or the sand dunes where there is very less of water and the temperature is very higher. Mostly the vegetation which is very scarce, very less, so the leaves which cannot be turned into the process of the photosynthesis, so these leaves can be found in the forms of thorny leaves. So student, this desert region which is mostly found from the area of the Haryana or the Punjab to the run of Kutch, this is the vertical, you will say, expansion of the desert of India. If you see the latitudinal the expansion of Indian desert from the Pakistan to the Madhya Pradesh or some areas of the Aravalli hills and the Satpura hills. So these are the expansion of the desert of India, and this region where is very, will say, scarcity for receiving the limited rainfall. Merely this region received the 150 mm rainfall, and this region received the rainfall due to the diverting of the monsoony winds from the eastern part of India due to the mountain of the Himalayas. The winds move towards the west direction. In such a way, this region received the you will say very less of the rainfalls. But these winds which are carrying the rainfall, they have very less of the humidity. Now we will see the desert region and there are some characteristics. This region is having the arid climate, low vegetation cover. Mostly these regions found different type of the vegetation. Mostly the cactus trees has been found in this area. This region is mostly associated with the Mesozoic era. Mesozoic era means the time period from 252 to 66 million years ago, the time which is also associated for the age of reptiles. Reptiles means the type of creatures which were moving over the ground, means the terrestrial animals which were found in this time period. This region was under the sea during this era, because this times when the time period has been given there, so mostly this region was found under the sea. Wood fossils is estimated 180 million years ago, and many of the other evidences such as the underlying rock structure of the desert is an extension of the Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau where this extension has been found in this region also. And mushroom rocks, shifting dunes and oases are the very important features of this region. Mushrooms rocks which are formed due to the kind of some erosion, weathering and the degeneration process, and due to the changing of the you will say pattern of the temperature. So these mushroom rocks can be seen there. Shifting dunes can be seen in this region, and these regions you can see the latitudinal dunes which can be called in this region as a birchens. So this dunes can be called also as a crescent dunes which has the kind of position as in such a way. So student, in this region you can also found the oasis. Oasis is a place which you can see very of the less of the availability of water, along with the some very limited of the vegetations. So this region is very fruitful for those people who are traveling for a long distance with their kafilas, and they can get the water in some regions. Division of the Indian Peninsula can be seen. Northern part is sloping toward the Sindh. Northern part is sloping toward the Sindh, means this region, that region sloping toward the Sindh region. I can explain in such a way, this region can be sloped toward the Sindh. Sindh river can be seen there. So in such a way, this region from the western direction to the eastern direction to western direction, this region have a slope toward the Sindh regions or the Sindh rivers. Second is southern part toward the run of Kutch. This is southern part, and this rivers can be tilted toward the run of Kutch. Run of Kutch can be seen there. So in such a way, again this region can be sloped toward the run of Kutch. So these are the two divisions. One is called the Sindh region, and second is called the run of Kutch. So that is very important division of the Indian desert. Rivers which are found in this region as a ephemeral. Ephemeral means the rivers which cannot carrying the water throughout the year, and these rivers can be seen only in the monsoony seasons. Some rivers can be seen as the Chambal River, the Luni River, and so many other rivers can be seen there. And these rivers may be carrying the water from some canals which can be merged, which can be built, constructed at the time when the Ganga rivers and other rivers were leaving the water, the Ganga lakes and playas have a brackish water source of salt. In this region we can see some sources of the salts, and many of the places where the lakes are there, where the source of salt can be seen there. So student, this is a desert region that is very important, and this region which is having the kind of some sands, and sand dunes can be shifted due to the moving of the air direction towards the west direction, toward the south directions. In such a way, this region is very important features of India in the physiographic division. So student, this is the topics of the same lesson, structure and physiography, and this is our third last topic, third last lecture of this lesson. So hope you can enjoy this topic, and if any kind of the problem you can ask a comment, and please share this video. Thank you student to watching and listening me.